All right, we are back for part 2 in my closet. You will be, well, maybe you'll be as excited as I am. I'm in a new outfit. I say outfit, it's literally just 2 pieces, so let's not get too crazy. But I also did my color analysis, which I'm very excited to share. And I do want to know if anyone else has done it and kind of what you learned. So first, I'll show you guys the new stuff I got. So I got some new shorts like I had been wanting. And she was surprised that Abercrombie actually had stuff for not just teenagers. Yes, right? I just remember it being very preppy and you would walk in and be very intimidated. It smelled so incredible.
But you ordered this online, didn't you?
Yeah, so I didn't have to walk in anywhere. Yeah. I'm just saying my old experience of like, and everything was going to be short. Everything was going to be tight. If you weren't a size 0. Yeah. Like that used to be their mom.
I was just about to say, like that used to be it. Like
and they realized,
too old to go in there.
And they realized they had to transition from like, we're only serving like negative size models to let's serve everyone. So I think this is the first time I've ordered online that I haven't had to return something. And I was so happy about it. That's nice. Shorts. I got these these are Levi's. I mean, it's a trusted brand. It's a trusted brand.
We have some good stuff this year too.
This shirt, I got another white shirt from Abercrombie. So I got some good pieces. I still know that I want to find some dresses. I'm probably going to look for those locally, especially now that I know my colors. Here's my colors. And I'm going to put the whole video online. It was really fascinating. I was telling Anna and I was telling Christine, the girl that did both of ours actually, that I felt like I was like going back to school. Like I learned so much.
Yeah.
Like I need to watch it again so I can fully absorb everything. But I'm excited to kind of, I'm not going to go crazy with it, but it does make me think of things. Like I really like black, not a great color for me. I should go with white instead. Or if I want a darker color, go with a dark brown, even though this one does have black on it. But anyways, I will share that whole video, but it was fascinating. So yeah, so I'm going to still get some dresses. I got a new pair of shoes.
And those you can wear to work and stuff too,
exactly. Right? All this stuff I can wear to work.
Yeah, and that was your thing last time. You wanted some jean shorts you could wear to work, something that has pockets.
They're long enough to where I'm not like
showing your booty.
Yes, but it still like is cute. And they even though they're called like a dad short, I don't look like a dad.
No,
so I don't really know where they get that name because my dad also never wore shorts like that, but whatever. So a tour around, like, you want to take them on a tour? All right, entering the closet. You'll notice it is my voice you hear and not Anna's. That's because her video messed up. So I had to redo it. But yeah, I'm really happy with where the closet is right now. I'm still going through purses. I'm still deciding on hangers. But for now, it works and I like it and it feels good. And I didn't have to, there's my pajamas. I didn't have to get anything new as of yet. And I'm big on that. Like I'm all for if you want to go out and buy all new things, I'm totally for that. I'm also for using what you have and kind of figuring out things and then buying something if you want, or just, again, just using what you have. There's nothing wrong. Also, this is a big reminder. Yes, I know I say this pretty often, but I'm going to say it again. Being organized does not mean having a perfect space. It means knowing what you have and being able to access it easily. So if you think that my closet doesn't look like what a professional organizer's closet looks like, that is okay. That still, however, is my job, and I help people create what they want. This works for me, and I'm happy with it. Could I take this up 1,000 notches and get all new stuff? Absolutely. But this works for me. I did not want to spend a bunch of money, and I like it. So again, there's no one size fits all. There's nothing. You don't have to be perfect with it. There's no such thing actually, because you can continue to like change things and update things, and you're just constantly chasing that. And also, like, I'm human. Things get out of place. Like, that happens. It happens to all of us, you know? And now it's easier for me to maintain, just like any other project, right? Once you kind of update it, then it's easier to tidy up and to maintain it. And I had put it off because it was a big project, and I just don't have a lot of time to do my own big projects. I'm very busy. So yeah, that's just a word to the wise. So
we were just talking, because we were saying, well, you can tell them. I mean, I like in my closet, I have, I guess my pants are here, my tops are up here, my shorts are down here, but except for my shorts, because they're kind of pushed over to the side right now, but they're all color coordinated, and it just kind of helps me so I can quickly put it back up. But you were saying, like, you have them based from, like, casual to dressy. And so we were kind of talking about what would make, like, it easier to get dressed. But you kind of like that.
Well, and I think knowing how you look for things should help you with organizing your closet. So if you think in colors, then organizing by colors is very helpful. If you think in, well, I kind of just want this style, then maybe organizing like this. So first of all, knowing kind of how you get dressed in the morning is helpful. But if I did want to color code it within my system that I already have, that would kind of help visually make it look nicer, especially if I'm not going to buy those new hangers. But yeah, I mean, I think, you know, a rainbow scheme is gorgeous.
But I like your idea too. That makes sense, because you're like, oh, these are my casual tops. I need something casual today versus I'm going to church, or I need to look a little nicer.
Yes.
Here's my nicer
like,
stuff.
Here's a short sleeve t-shirt versus a short sleeve blouse.
Yeah.
I don't know if I would really want them by color, but it's kind of nice that you have options, right? So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now to purge more of the stuff that, you know, just
I mean, but you have you have your all seasons in here. You don't. It's not like you have like it looks like a bunch of clothes, which is a lot of clothes, but it's like you've got all of it in here.
Yes.
It's not like you've got it spread out like some in 5 different closets or something.
The only other clothing items I have elsewhere are my pajamas and my bathing suits.
Yeah.
And like ski pants. You know, everything else is in here.
I don't have ski pants.
For when I go skiing.
Or
hiking.
Yeah.
Or hiking.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So everything is in here, so at least I know exactly what I have. But I know I keep saying this, but even with getting my color analysis done, like it's just another motivation to purge more stuff that I was like debating.
Yeah.
Like, love this top. Like, does nothing for my skin, nothing for my, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it's just this color, and I kind of knew that before, and now I really, like, have confirmed that. I'm like, it needs to go.
Yeah, for me, it was like these really light pastels.
Yeah.
They just, like, I had a shirt, I loved it, but it was this really light, pale, pastel, cool yellow.
Yeah.
But every time I put it on, I'm like, I just look kind of funny. And then after we did that, I'm like, oh, okay.
Makes sense.
But it helps because when you're going shopping, you were like, I know that color looks like crap on me, and you just stay away from it.
Yes. Whereas this color, I have like nothing up, didn't even buy this. This was a hand-me-down. But yet this is like one of my best colors. And when she like put it up, I was like, oh.
Yeah, makes your eyes pop.
So yeah, it's kind of fun too. Then you kind of like, not that because I have my categories of what I want to shop for, and then like some colors that I want to go for. I'm on more of a mission than just walk into the store and see what I see.
Yeah.
You know, which can be overwhelming. So.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you for your help.
Yeah, this is fun.
Appreciate you. If you guys have any organizing or closet fashion, any of that kind of questions, let us know. We will try to answer them the best we can. Thanks for being here.